Okay, so first you're going to make your pizza sauce or warm up, a store-bought pizza sauce, whatever your preference is. Doesn't matter. What matters is what you like. Put whatever meat you would like, sausage, hamburger, whatever you would like, into a small bowl. And then you're going to put the sauce right on top. Mix it up. And that will be your dip for your pizza chips. So first thing you're going to do is toast them. And then put them onto a cookie sheet. And then put some cheese on. We like mozzarella. After you're all done putting the mozzarella on, you're going to pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes or until the cheese is melted. And then you take them and you cut them into fours.
With my handy dandy scissors.
And this is how you make the pizza chips. Of course, you can cut them into any size you want, in any way that you want.
Alrighty, I'm excited.
Oh, hear that crunch.
Delicious. Mmm. Alright, let's give this a try.
And it is
That's good.
awesome. And we'll see you in the next video that we make. Bye-bye.